Why do your Python scripts show traceback errors? Have you ever run a Python script only to be greeted by a traceback error? It can be frustrating, but understanding why this happens can turn that frustration into a learning opportunity. Let's break it down together. When your Python script encounters an error during execution, it raises an exception. This means something went wrong, and Python needs to let you know. The moment this happens, Python generates a traceback. A traceback is a detailed report that shows the sequence of function calls leading to the error and the exact location in your code where the issue occurred. So, how does this all work? First, an exception occurs. This could be due to various reasons, such as dividing by zero, referencing a variable that has not been defined, or trying to use an incorrect data type. When Python detects such an error, it raises an exception and creates a traceback message. This message starts with the phrase traceback, most recent call last, and then lists important details. You will see the file name, line number, and function name for each step in the chain of function calls that led to the error. The specific line of code where the error happened is also highlighted, along with the type of error and a message explaining what went wrong. For example, if you try to divide a number by zero, you might see something like zero division error, division by zero. Reading tracebacks is essential. You start from the bottom and work your way up. The last line shows the actual error type and message, which is your most important clue. The lines above it show the call stack, indicating which functions called which, leading to the error. Common causes of traceback errors include syntax errors, which are mistakes in the code structure. However, syntax errors usually prevent the script from running at all. Other common errors include NameError, which occurs when you use variables or functions that have not been defined. TypeError happens when you perform operations on incompatible data types. IndexError is when you try to access elements outside the range of a list or sequence. Key error arises when you attempt to access a dictionary key that does not exist. Lastly, ImportError occurs when you fail to import a module or package. When running Python scripts, especially during development, tracebacks are your best friend for debugging. They tell you exactly where and why your script failed, allowing you to correct the code. Understanding how to read and interpret tracebacks is a fundamental skill in mastering Python programming. To prevent tracebacks from stopping your script, you can use exception handling with try and except blocks. This allows you to catch errors gracefully and respond appropriately without crashing the program. In essence, Python scripts show traceback errors because the interpreter detects an unhandled exception during execution. The traceback provides a step-by-step report of the error's origin, helping you identify and fix issues in your code. Learning to read tracebacks is a key skill in running scripts effectively.